Hello, and welcome to Mini Mac Build 1030R. It's another beautiful day the Lord has blessed us with. We've got some stuff ready to go here. Let me show you. We got this spar through bulkhead ready to go. Sanded, buffed, cut right. We have the spar assembly right here. This is where the spars go right here, one on each side. And this, of course, glues to this after I get this part in here. And that bulkhead goes right here, right down in there. All right, then I got the front spar, which mounts to this bar. And that bar mounts on that board right there, which I'm about to glue in too. I've got to spread the right distance. I got upper and lower spreaders, clamps. I can always use some more clamps. But I also have the wood cut for the bottom. I have these three pieces here cut. There's a piece up here on the upper side that it doesn't call out. I'm pretty sure it gets a piece right there, RS6, it just didn't call out. These two pieces here, I don't know their dimensions yet until I bend this in. And I'm going to wait and get these areas done in the straight section. And let it dry a little bit and then start bending it around. I bent it a little bit yesterday and it will bend some. So, let's get started. The workbench is a perfect height for building the wing and these side frames, but I find myself up on a step stool now, trying to get enough reach in here. In fact, I'm actually going to stand on the table some here while I get the glue on the inside for this bulkhead. This is like perfect flying weather today. It's lunchtime here in southeastern Virginia. It's about 75 degrees, beautiful day. Had some cool nights, didn't have to turn the AC on. I'm getting to some critical sections now. This spar areas, they're important. That's where all your strength is. I don't have any music playing today. I'm at lunch, so I have somebody call at any moment and interrupt my video and my work, even though I'm on lunch. The show must go on. A little place I didn't see there. I'm going to cut that down with a knife right quick. You will find incidental stuff to do all the time doing this. Okay, I think I got that pretty good. We go to the other side. You know, man's wanted to fly ever since he's seen a bird fly, probably. I mean, who hasn't looked up at a bird flying and thought, That looks pretty cool. I'd like to do that. I don't know. I gotta staple it up. All right. Let's see what that does. It's tight. It is tight. Tight just the way I like it. All right. We're going to need a clamp up here. I already got blocks at the bottom to hold the butt up. Don't you go nowhere. Pull back right here. All right. Okay. We get the staple done. Put a few more staples in there. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what. Oh, nice and square too. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna put this piece here on, which is gonna go. Something like this. I'm gonna do a little trim. It looks like. Looks like Mama had to lose all that glue because I don't have time. I gotta get back to work. But I hope y'all had a enjoyable experience for a couple minutes. And that's a major milestone, like I said. So when we come back, we'll glue this in and we'll start gluing in some top pieces. And we'll work our way down little by little. Thanks for watching.